This may seem like a failure to some of you, but I want to share my report card on the 18-day experiment that I just finished. So 18 days ago, I shared this reel about my plan to use my Light 56 ABC framework to share about our trip. I wanted to feel organized about our trip. I wanted to share it online and kind of show you guys how the process works. So every day I was going to share in stories. My second one is creating like digital reminders of the trip, so reels. And then my third one was creating a physical album. This is my little tracker. Circle represents a day. They kind of look like the moon. Tracker looked like in the end. As you can see, it wasn't perfect. No day looked alike. But at the end of the day, my goal was to do anchor every day. So I missed that by 2. My bright light to be reflective 13 times, and I did it 15. And then my challenge to work on my physical album, the goal was 10, which I did. Visible reminder of what progress looks like, and it's not about perfection. So what you probably really want to know is whether or not it worked, and it worked really well for the first 2 because I felt like it made it really easy to show up online. If you didn't watch kind of our trip recap, they're all in there on my reels and in my story highlights, so you can see that it actually worked from that perspective. For my physical album, didn't get it finished, so this is my little travel journal. I have the first 4 days totally done. It's kind of like scrapbooky and like super cute, but although I don't have all 18 in the album, I do have them all of my materials sorted by envelope, by day, with the pictures and all of like the kind of souvenir things I want to include in them, as well as 3 good things from each day. Now I just need to stick them in my travel journal. So although I don't have my final end result, I made some serious progress. And I think sometimes we don't share or celebrate those things when it may look like a failure because it didn't get completely finished. But I made progress. I'm in a much better spot than I ever have been ever before for any trip. And I'm excited and motivated to keep working on it. So if you're interested in trying one of these experiments, I have some free 5-day ones. And I would love you to check it out. It's a really simple model. It works for anything, and it just helps you make progress imperfectly.